Hi guys, today I'll be doing something a little different. My sister's in the background, so I'll be playing this game and I'm gonna be trying to kill all of the enemies. Oh no, but I missed. Oh, how do I shoot? Russell, how to shoot? Phew. I hope the police didn't see that. Now, okay, I'm just okay. Oh, my screw's up. I'm ready to die. Okay, this is good. Okay. Okay, the boss is really hard. Oh, this is not Okay, this is good. Menu status. Now, how do I clear the bodies? I think I just enemy. Yeah, no enemy.